Hey, this is Samantha here from RecipeThis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I wanted to show you how easy it is to cook air fryer frozen green beans. This started as just something different that I was experimenting with a while back, and it became one of our favourites, quick veggies in the air fryer, and many of our readers love it. And we've been promising them a video for a while, and it's finally here. We're finally getting the video equipment out and showing you how easy it is to do frozen green beans in the air fryer. And we also have 450 plus more easy air fryer recipes over at RecipeThis.com, as well as a fantastic air fryer mini course which is free, and our free air fryer newsletter. I recommend you check it out, and if you have any questions or comments you can reach out to us or just comment on this video. I love to cook frozen green beans in the air fryer, and you can just use a simple bag like this and then load them into your air fryer basket. Simply get out your air fryer basket, get a bowl in the bag and load as much or as little as you want. I like to go about there because otherwise the air fryer ends up over full and you don't want that. Now, you can add olive oil or you can leave it. I actually prefer it without olive oil, even though I follow both methods. So whichever method you prefer, you can add your olive oil now. If not, just leave it as it is. Season with a bit of salt and then place it in your air fryer. So turn your air fryer on. You're looking for a temperature of 160 Celsius, that's 320 Fahrenheit, and we're starting off with a cook time of 10 minutes. Then we can come and check on them and adjust the cook time as necessary. And we've beat. Now let's check on our green beans. Oh wow, they look fantastic. So if you follow a diet, let's say Weight Watchers, Slimming World, or you're just trying to cut calories to lose weight, note that no oil whatsoever have gone in these. They're just seasoned with salt. They're ready for portioning up with one of your favourite meats, or with a curry or something simple like that. But if you want them a bit more crispy, then simply add a bit of extra virgin olive oil spray to the top like that, and then place them back in and go for another 3 minutes, but up the temperature to 200 Celsius, 400 Fahrenheit. And we've beat. Wow. They've got a much better crisp to them now, and they are perfectly cooked. Another idea, if you are not on Weight Watchers, because we're talking about Weight Watchers, but the rest of you might be thinking, well, I don't want really healthy green beans. Well, note that instead of extra virgin olive oil, you can add in some butter and get the butter melting onto the green beans, and it's absolutely delicious as a nice, easy air fryer side dish. So these are the finished green beans. What's great about these is it's perfect size for a big dish of them that you can load up onto your dinner table. I'm thinking Thanksgiving, I'm thinking of roast dinners, and they're just perfect. And I'm also a big fan of the movie Julie versus Julia. My favourite line in it that I mention in a lot of recipes on RecipeThis.com is how everything tastes better when you add butter, and how you think of your favourite foods and you think it had butter in. So I sneakily added in some butter to these green beans, and oh my god, it makes them so much better. Just chop up some tiny chunks of butter and load it into them when they've just come out the air fryer, and the butter will naturally melt. So let's try one, shall we? Well, if I can get one on my fork. They're really nice. I can't really tell the difference there between those and fresh ones. and we cannot get fresh ones where we live. And it's just fantastic if you want your green beans fix with your dinner. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Recipe This family. You can find us on Twitter, Facebook and Pinterest. We also have a weekly newsletter at recipethis.com/newsletter, where we share with you our latest kitchen gadget recipes, what we're cooking in the Milner kitchen, and so much more. As well as this, we recommend that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then whenever we have a new video, you will be the first to know. And if you want to know about all our future videos, then I recommend you hit the bell for instant notifications. But even better, we now have a podcast. It's called Magic with Gadgets. Simply search Magic with Gadgets on your favourite podcast player and you'll find us there.